Emily, and welcome to RoofClaim. Here at RoofClaim, we're a leader in the roofing industry. With more than 20 years of experience, RoofClaim has been a trusted partner, ensuring the protection and integrity of homes all across the U.S. But we're not just about roofs, we're a technology company. We offer virtual roof inspections powered by state-of-the-art drone technology, which allow us to assess your roof's condition with unmatched precision. These virtual inspections are a game changer, allowing us to provide a thorough assessment without interrupting your daily life. When you work with RoofClaim, we handle the process from start to finish, and we work with insurance companies, not against them. This gives us the opportunity to provide you with personalized support. With offices strategically positioned throughout the country, we're here to serve you. So that means we represent you throughout the process, from adjuster meetings and estimates to the final roof replacement, ensuring your home is handled with care. Our commitment to cutting-edge technology means we bring the best to you. We only hire the best and most trusted roofing experts. Your project isn't just a job for us, it's a commitment to excellence. Speaking of commitment, every RoofClaim project is backed by a $1 million guarantee. It's our way of saying thank you for trusting us with your home. Most major components of your home require annual service. Shouldn't what protects your family deserve the same? Let us elevate your roofing experience. Schedule your inspection today. RoofClaim, where experience, innovation, and trust come together.